Okay, so the goal for today is to go to Kensington Metropark, which is a nice local park around here with good bike trails and everything, because it's 45 degrees in January. Do you remember how it works?
Kind of.
What a pain it was to get this thing together.
Yeah.
Nice. Look at this.
Because I didn't want them to fall all over. Oh my gosh.
Ah!
Gross. Okay. Now here's
Okay, so this obviously sticks off the back.
Yeah, but
I
I
think
just
it
don't
goes
remember
like
if it's
that.
like this way or the other
So
way.
I think we should first clean these off so it's scratch mark.
Oh, okay. Is that how you clean things?
Well, just so there's no more sticks on it. Rocks.
So here's my question. And these ones. Yeah, no, I think secrets.
You know, open a glass. Very
Move it like this. But someone who didn't know how to do it here, and then it's loose again. And
I
then
don't think that's where they go.
that's where they go.
I think they maybe go over here. I think maybe straight down. But that wouldn't make any sense because the clip would be like the other clip.
What do you mean?
See how that clip?
Yeah, it just serves the same purpose.
Yeah, but it would be it would have two of those clips. It wouldn't have the side clip.
Yeah, yeah. This
I think it goes
should
on
go
the
up here.
side somewhere.
Yeah, it goes up there.
Yeah.
Let me ask Lex if she knows where that thing went. Oh. Nope. To the right. Yeah, because I don't have a hand strike. Stop pretending I do. Just come in and do it for me.
You want me to do it?
Oh, I feel like I should. Haha.
But we got the bike hooked up, which you can see right there. But her tires are empty, so we're gonna fill those up. Took 3 gas stations to find the pump, and now we're getting change. So we're gonna do that. Nah.
There.
Good job. Just let the air out. There you go. Good.
Okay, we done?
All right, that's it. Yep, congratulations. You are now competent at one more thing in your life.
I wish I could make it straight here.
We're on the quest for bird seed because we're gonna feed birds
not yet.
at the place. What kind of bird seed do we get, honey?
The cheap kind. Huh.
They only sell it
Get
in
it?
bulk.
Get it? The cheap, like cheap.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good.
I think
Midwest blend.
I mean, we do live in the Midwest.
And this is only cracked corn. It's only $2 more.
Oh, you sold me.
And then they have all different kinds. And then you know what I mean?
What we really should have done though,
Just stole some.
no, was bought Ziploc bags. Are we gonna take this whole thing into the woods?
Yeah, I've got the thing on my bike. I got.
Purify the air in your home.
Ooh,
We could do some air purification.
purification. Are you saying my apartment smells bad?
No. I'm not saying it.
Oh.
No, it smells much better than previous. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, it is.
I screwed 3 of these onto a whiteboard, and so she could hang it on a wall as a joke gift, and then she really liked it.
I'm really excited about it.
Yeah.
I'm excited. I like this a lot.
Yeah, it's nice. It's $30 though.
Wow.
So we're getting this this lamp here. Came in for birdseed and tarp. We're walking out with a lamp and
gonna be
birdseed
heavy.
and a tarp.
Sorry to pause you.
How you doing, Olivia? Okay, so we have to wear helmets when we bike here, even though.
Do you know why,
you
though?
got me.
I looked it up.
Why? Why do I have to wear helmets?
Well, it's actually kind of sad. Some inline skater died here
Oh.
going down a really steep hill. And
Well, I'm
he
not
was
gonna
wearing
complain
a
about that anymore.
helmet. Yeah. Here, oh, actually, I can use this to see. Is this inside out?
Look at these swans. They're like, what did you say, 500 feet?
I have no idea.
500 feet. 500 feet away. I've never seen that many before. I mean, there's like 100. That's pretty good. We're going, Olivia.
I don't know. Where do you want to go?
You're the leader of this expedition.
I don't want to be. I just want to feed some birds.
Where do you think the birds are going to be?
In the woods.
Let's go to the woods then.
Well, anywhere takes us to the woods.
All right, let's just start walking this way.
Okay.
That looks like the woods.
Okay. Look, there's birdseed on the floor.
This is our first attempt to get the birds to land on Olivia's hand
are you showing
and eat
them?
seed.
But it probably won't eat birdseed, it's a woodpecker. Just
Whoa, careful.
What?
Slippery when wet.
You are the worst. Let it be known that last time we got here, I just stuck my bare hand out and a bird landed on it.
Yeah.
Right there.
We saw a bird. We're gonna go find it. Okay. I have to stay here. Oh, 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 oh. They're coming. They're coming.
You getting this?
Yeah.
Is it just my face? Like, are you putting birdseed on my head?
Just one. One peanut.
I don't think they'll know it's there. They won't notice it's there. I swear, if a bird lands in my head. Yeah, they won't know it's there. Especially because the peanut blends in with my hair. You'd have better. Are you putting a pile of birdseed on my head now?
You have a bird on your head? I'll get a picture for you.
I could not laugh. Did he get something?
I don't think so.
Mike, are you recording?
Yeah.
Lucy, you gotta hold it out your hand flat. Put out your flat. Lucy, come on.
Did you get it?
Flat.
You're right. Hey, Mike. We'll like you. Put your hand over here. Look, there's the blue jay again. Oh, you just pooped. You had poop before you had to. That little guy's really struggling with the sunflower seed though. Because they come small. They don't like you. Here, I'll let you do it by yourself for a minute. Maybe then they'll get you. Land on me though. There's more though. It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, I wasn't recording.
But maybe you'll come back.
Yeah.